Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC, or Diagnostic Trouble Code U0028, signifies a failure in the FCAN, specifically indicating a bus-off condition related to the engine control module, ECM, for the Honda Civic model years 2006 to 2011. The FCAN, or Fast Controller Area Network, is a system that allows various vehicle control units to communicate with each other, ensuring that they operate cohesively. When a bus-off condition is present, it indicates that the data bus is unable to transmit, leading to potential communication failures between the ECM and other critical components. The ECM plays a vital role in managing engine performance and emissions. Therefore, any issues with the FCAN can significantly impact vehicle performance and diagnostics. Prioritize verifying this error, as it can be pivotal for ensuring the vehicle's operational reliability. This presentation will guide you through an effective troubleshooting process to resolve this issue. DTC U0028 denotes a malfunction within the FCAN system, which is crucial for the communication between various electronic modules in the vehicle. This problem specifically affects the engine control module, ECM, the brain of the vehicle's engine management system. The ECM is responsible for monitoring and controlling engine performance, emissions, and overall function. It is typically located within the underhood fuse and relay box, making it somewhat accessible for troubleshooting. The malfunction could indicate that the ECM is not receiving or sending data effectively, resulting in operational issues. Proper diagnosis and repairs are essential to ensure a fully functional communication system within the vehicle, directly influencing the engine's efficiency and performance. Several factors may lead to the appearance of DTC U0028. Firstly, the ECM may have outdated software, which can hinder its ability to communicate effectively within the FCAN. Manufacturers periodically release software updates to address bugs and improve performance, so checking for an update is essential. A faulty ECM is another plausible cause. It may have internal faults, rendering it unable to engage properly with the FCAN. Additionally, wiring issues could disrupt communication, such as shorts, breaks, or corroded connectors. Identifying these possible causes is crucial to narrowing down the root of the problem, which will guide the corrective action required to resolve the DTC effectively. Addressing these elements proactively can help restore optimal ECM functionality. When DTC U0028 is triggered, the driver may experience a variety of symptoms that indicate a problem with the FCAN system. One of the most noticeable symptoms is engine performance issues, which can manifest as stalling, poor acceleration, or erratic idling, since the ECM cannot receive or send the necessary information. Alongside these performance troubles, the vehicle may also display communication errors, indicating that the various control modules are not able to sync properly. This can lead to warning lights being activated on the dashboard, often leading to driver concern and possible roadside attention. Recognizing these symptoms early allows for a more straightforward troubleshooting approach, enabling more effective and timely repairs. Addressing these concerns ensures that the vehicle operates reliably and safely. In the initial step of troubleshooting DTC U0028, begin by turning the ignition switch to the on position, which is often referred to in Honda vehicles as position on. This allows the vehicle systems to activate and prepare for diagnostics. Recording all freeze data and any onboard snapshot is crucial, as it captures the operational state of the vehicle at the time the fault was logged. This data can provide valuable insight into the conditions leading up to the error, allowing for a more informed diagnosis. Additionally, review the general troubleshooting information specific to Honda vehicles to ensure you're adhering to manufacturer guidelines, which often include specific protocols for errors related to the FCAN. This foundational step sets the stage for a structured and effective troubleshooting process. The second troubleshooting step involves clearing the Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS tool. This action resets the vehicle's diagnostic memory, providing a clean slate to work from. After clearing the DTC, it's essential to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS again. This ensures that if the fault reoccurs, you can quickly confirm if DTC U0028 is still present. If DTC U0028 is indicated, you would proceed with the next troubleshooting step. On the other hand, if it's not indicated, this suggests an intermittent issue, and the system might be functioning correctly at that moment, indicating further observation might be necessary. In Step 3, if DTC U0028 remains after clearing it, the next action involves updating the Engine Control Module, ECM, software to the latest version available. This is crucial, as outdated software can sometimes lead to communication issues within the FCAN. After the software update, it's recommended to substitute the ECM with a known good unit if any communication still fails. This step is essential in narrowing down whether the original ECM is faulty or if the issue lies elsewhere. After performing these updates or substitutions, use the HDS tool to recheck for pending or confirmed DTCs to observe any changes. Depending on these results, further action can be planned effectively. If, after updating the ECM software and substituting the ECM, DTC U0028 still persists, return to the first troubleshooting step and reevaluate. This suggests that despite the updates and replacements, the underlying issue remains unresolved, and it may be necessary to explore further diagnostics. If the ECM was updated and there are no new codes related to the malfunction, you can conclude the troubleshooting process is complete, indicating that the update resolved the issue. However, if ECM substitution led to no improvement, replacing the original ECM might be the appropriate next step. It's crucial during this phase to remain systematic to avoid unnecessary replacements and ensure all potential faults are considered. To conclude the troubleshooting process, it is imperative to verify the effectiveness of the repairs made regarding DTC U0028. After finalizing any updates or replacements, ensure that no new Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, are present. This involves conducting a thorough check with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to verify that the communication between the ECM and FCAN is now functional. Furthermore, taking the vehicle for a test drive is crucial to observe its performance under normal operating conditions. This step allows for any lingering issues to be identified before concluding the repair process. Thorough verification instills confidence that the vehicle's electrical communication systems are operating reliably, ensuring driver safety and vehicle integrity. Preventive maintenance plays a key role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC U0028 in Honda Civics. Keeping the ECM software updated ensures the vehicle's systems remain compatible with the latest fixes and enhancements from the manufacturer, reducing potential communication failures. Additionally, routinely inspecting wiring connections for wear, corrosion, or physical damage can significantly decrease the risk of issues arising from faulty connections. Lastly, conducting periodic system diagnostics can help identify potential problems before they escalate into full-blown DTCs, allowing for timely interventions. Proactively maintaining these elements fosters a more reliable vehicle, ultimately enhancing performance and longevity. In summary, DTC U0028 signifies a communication failure within the FCAN system that impacts the Engine Control Module, ECM, in the Honda Civic from 2006 to 2011. A meticulous process of troubleshooting includes recognizing the error, clearing the DTC, updating ECM software, and substituting a faulty ECM if necessary. Each step is vital for accurately diagnosing and resolving the issue to restore optimal vehicle performance. Moreover, implementing preventive maintenance practices such as regular software updates and inspection of electrical connections is crucial in reducing the chances of this error recurring in the future. By understanding and addressing these factors, we can ensure that the Honda Civic operates reliably and effectively. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.